From David, dear Mr. Klavan, Shapiro and other legal scholars are saying Kavanaugh will slowly chip away. This is the Trump Supreme Court pick. Brett Kavanaugh will slowly chip away at Roe v. Wade, but he won't overturn it like Amy Barrett would have. Why aren't we at least seriously discussing the idea of scuttling the nomination so Trump will appoint Amy Barrett to the seat? It would only take one Republican senator to do it. I get that the idea is a bit crazy, but isn't it worth debating? No. It's more than a bit crazy. It is hugely crazy. Kavanaugh is a great pick. We don't know. Here's the thing. This is what we're debating. Kavanaugh, in a decision, basically limiting Roe, did not attack Roe v. Wade as much as conservatives wanted him to. When we're arguing about that, we've won. That's a win. We're just arguing about some little, itty bitty thing. Roe v. Wade is not the Constitution. What we want is Supreme Court justices who, to the best of their ability, will interpret the law as written in the Constitution, not as what they want it to say, but what they feel it does say in the light of history and precedent. So I don't know. I think Kavanaugh is going to be a little bit harsher on Roe v. Wade than people do. I don't think John Roberts will join him. That's what I think. I think John Roberts will stop them from overturning Roe v. Wade. And it's possible they won't have the votes. Remember, they have to decide to hear cases. It's possible they won't have enough votes to hear the cases against Roe v. Wade that would cause it to be overturned. I don't know what Kavanaugh is going to do, but I do know that he is a constitutional judge. He is not an absolute originalist the way Clarence Thomas is. He's more an Antonin Scalia type. Scalia called himself, I can't remember what he called himself, a weak originalist. That is, if it says, just to use an example my son-in-law gave me, that if the Constitution forbids cruel and unusual punishment, Scalia would say, well, yeah, but cruel and unusual punishment is not what it is in the 18th century, where Clarence Thomas might actually let you be put in the stocks. And so I'm a little bit more on Scalia's side than on Clarence Thomas' side. But Kavanaugh's a great pick. And the fact that we're arguing over this little kind of language in one of his decisions just shows that we've won, and we should not get in the way. We should certainly not risk losing a great pick like this because we want we want 100% of what we want right now. That's ridiculous.